topic is above principles, Hund's rule, and Pauli's exclusion principle. These laws and principles or rules explain how to write or how to explain the electronic structure or electronic configuration. So first, Abau's principle. Abau's means building block in German. It is not the name of any scientist. Actually, it means building block. How the build or how the explain electrons in any atom. It's explain the filling of electrons. According to this principle, in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of the increasing energies. In other words, electrons first occupy the lowest energy orbitals available to them and then enter into higher energy orbitals only after lower energy orbital is filled. First, electron enters in lower energy level, then it moves towards the higher energy level. Order of increasing order of energies in the orbitals are as follows: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, then 3p, 3d is not there, you can see. 4s first and then 3d, 4p, then 5s, 4d, 5p, 4f, then 5d. That means what? All the d orbitals electron enters later than the s new s orbitals. That means in ns electron enters first, then n minus 1 d. Order of filling of electrons like this. This principle includes two law, n plus l law and nth law or rule. N plus l means what? The sum of principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number is less, electron enters in that orbital first, then the larger value. Or nth rule, when both n plus l for both orbitals are same, then electron enters in which orbitals which have less n value. Therefore, electron enters first in 4s, then after 3d, and after 3d electron enters in 4p. Although 3d and 4p have the same n plus l values but less in 3, n value of 3d is less, that's why enters in 3d first, then in 4p. Next is Pauli's exclusion principle. Students, in my previous video I have explained the quantum number. You know there are 4 quantum numbers. Sorry. In that 4 quantum numbers are not, those all 4 quantum numbers are not equal for any 2 electrons in the same atom. According to this principle, no 2 electrons in this atom have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. It can also be stated otherwise, as only 2 electrons may exist in the same orbital and these orbitals must have opposite spins. The maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in the cell with the quantum number n is according to 2n square rule. Next is Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This is one of the important rule to enter electrons. Whenever you fill the electrons in an orbitals belonging to the same subcell or equal energy called degenerate orbitals, it states that pairing of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subcell p, d or f does not take place until each orbital of that subcell gets one electron that is singly occupied. Some of the orbitals acquire extra stability due to their symmetry. That means what? First in P has 3 orbitals px, py and pz. One having the same spin electrons enters in first all these 3 orbitals. Then pairing started after entering 3 orbitals half field. So, with these three rules, electronic configuration can be easily you do. Electronic configuration means distribution of electron in the orbital of an atom is called electronic configuration. Electronic configuration can be represented in two ways: normal notation and orbital diagram. Orbital diagram means what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Already these are given in your textbook, NCERT. Read that book. The electron in the completely filled electronic cell with the highest principal quantum number are called valence electron. So this is all for the first, second chapter. I hope so. You read these things from NCERT book and watch this video. It help you to understand the atomic structure. Next time in recap video or new video, I will explain more detail about these all things. Thank you so much.